Hello, subscribe Kids Duniya.
Without a care, said that it's not the way, and danced around in the pouring rain. Mr. Bumble had a cat, wore a tie and a fancy hat. Meow here and a zip there. He sipped his tea in a comfy chair. Said cat,
Subscribe Kids Duniya.